गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। तो फ्रेंड्स, हम पीबी शैली के एमसीक्यूज़ की बात कर रहे थे। आज के वीडियो में हम पार्ट बी कवर करेंगे। सो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं। इन 1822 विच जर्नल डिड पीबी शैली पब्लिश अलॉन्ग विद ली हंट एंड लॉर्ड बायरन? कौन सा जर्नल इन्होंने ली हंट और लॉर्ड बायरन के साथ पब्लिश किया था 1822 में? द लिबरल। पीबी शैलीज अदर मेजर वर्क्स इंक्लूड द वर्स ड्रामा, द कैंसी एंड लॉन्ग पोएम्स सच एज एलेस्टर or the spirit of solitude, Julian and Medallo, Adonais, Prometheus Unbound, Hellas and the Triumph of Life. Which work of Shelley is widely considered his masterpiece, Prometheus Unbound? What was the full name of P.B. Shelley? Percy Bysshe Shelley. What did Byron try to rescue from P.B. Shelley's funeral pyre? His skull. What was one of the unusual ways P.B. Shelley released his work? Released inside of balloons, believed most of his life. How did a teenage P.B. Shelley once react to a tormentor? He stabbed a fork through the bully's hand. In 1822, which journal did Shelley publish along with Leigh Hunt and Lord Byron? The Liberal. Mont Blanc by Shelley is often considered an answer to Wordsworth's Tintern Abbey. Why was Shelley not given the custody of his children after the death of his first wife? Because of his atheism. P.B. Shelley's second wife, Mary Shelley, did not attend her husband's funeral. Yes, it is true. P.B. Shelley and Keats became friends in 1816. What did T.S. Eliot say about P.B. Shelley? तो टी.एस. एलियट ने पी.बी. शेली के बारे में बोला है, ही इज़ अ पोएट ऑफ एडोलेसेंस एंड द बल्क ऑफ हिज पोएट्री इज इमेच्योर. द बेस्ट पोएट्री ऑफ पी.बी. शेली वॉज रिटन फ्रॉम 1818 to 1822. In the poem Ode to the West Wind, the word dirge means song sung for a dead person. Nature, emotion and alienation are the themes of the poem. Stanzas written in dejection. Who is son and singer of revolution? Shelley. Who is called the most revolutionary romantic poet? Shelley. Who intellectualized nature? P.B. Shelley. P.B. Shelley's body was cremated in August 1822 but buried in 1823. What did Matthew Arnold say about P.B. Shelley? An ineffectual angel beating in the void its luminous wings. P.B. Shelley belonged to the second generation of the Romantic poets. Shelley's first wife, Harriet Westbrook, died by suicide. She drowned herself. Adonais by Shelley is a threnody bewailing the death of John Keats. Shelley's Adonais is a pastoral elegy. The title of Shelley's incomplete dream allegory is The Triumph of Life. Adonais consists of 55 stanzas. What did Byron say about P.B. Shelley? The most gentle, the most amiable and the least worldly minded people I ever met. Who is called a child of French Revolution? P.B. Shelley. P.B. Shelley had lost 5 children. The most adverse critic of P.B. Shelley is T.S. Eliot. P.B. Shelley wrote Ozymandias in competition with his friend Horace Smith. P.B. Shelley's first poem of any significance is titled Queen Mab. Who wrote Mutability? P.B. Shelley ने लिखा हुआ है. And in Mutability, what is an issue regarding our thoughts? They change. What two opposing emotions are put in parallel in Mutability? Joy and sorrow. P.B. Shelley defines poetry as an expression of imagination. Where did P.B. Shelley move in 1820? Pisa. Noel Cowart's play Blithe Spirit derives its title from Shelley's poem To a Skylark. The Witch of Atlas is a narrative of mystery and suspense. Shelley said, I have dipped my pen in consuming fire for his destroyer. His refers to John Keats. Shelley dedicated the Cenci to Leigh Hunt, who said poets are hierophants of अनएप्रीहेंडेड इंस्पिरेशन, शेली ने बोला है। पीबी शेलीज पोएट्री इज कॉल्ड द फैब्रिक ऑफ विजन। पीबी शेली मैरिड हैरियट वेस्टब्रुक एट द एज ऑफ 19। व्हेन डिड पीबी शेली डाइड? When did P.B. Shelley die? 1822. What is a hymn? Choose the best answer corresponding with P.B. Shelley's poetry. So, what is a hymn? Hymn, a poem of praise. Hymn is a poem of praise. And who wrote Hymn to Intellectual Beauty? P.B. Shelley ने लिखा हुआ है। What is intellectual beauty? The human mind at work. What things are compared with intellectual beauty? Mist, music and moonlight. Where does intellectual beauty come from? The soul. Shelley was influenced by French Revolution. Who deeply influenced the thought and ideology of Shelley? William Godwin. Shelley's second wife Mary was the daughter of William Godwin. In P.B. Shelley's Julian and Meadow, Julian represents Shelley and Meadow represents Byron. What are the poisonous names in the Hymn to Intellectual Beauty? Names from religion. In Hymn to Intellectual Beauty, what does moon signify? The mid-stage of the poet's life of understanding. P.B. Shelley's poem Mont Blanc is often considered an answer to Tintern Abbey by Wordsworth. What two powers are juxtaposed in Mont Blanc, nature and mind? Who wrote our sweetest songs are those that tell of our saddest thoughts? P.B. Shelley ने लिखा हुआ है। P.B. Shelley belonged to the age of Wordsworth, who was a visionary and idealistic poet with a passion for reforming the world. P.B. Shelley, who is Ozymandias' king, Ramses II, rise like lions after slumber in unvanquishable number. Which poem of P.B. Shelley inspired thus? The Mask of Anarchy. Shelley's Ariel to Miranda was inspired by Shakespeare's The Tempest. Shelley's O Word, O Life, O Time is a lyric. Who wrote the Indian Serenade? P.B. Shelley ने लिखा हुआ है। How many acts are there in Shelley's play और Oedipus Tyrannus? कितने एक्ट्स हैं Oedipus Tyrannus में? 2 हैं। Asia is a character in Shelley's Prometheus Unbound. Shelley supports bigamy in Prometheus Unbound. Shelley was a master of what 3 principles? So, political radicalism, strict vegetarianism and free love. Who wrote the life of P.B. Shelley? Thomas Medwin. Who is known as the poet of lyrics? P.B. Shelley. Who is known as the poet of hope and regeneration? P.B. Shelley. In Ode to the West Wind, what does Shelley call leaves? Pestilence stricken multitudes. One of P.B. Shelley's poems is titled Stanzas Written in Dejection Near Naples. My name is Ozymandias, King of Kings. The central thought of Hymn to Intellectual Beauty is that there is a spiritual power that stands apart from both the physical world and the heart of man. In Adonais, P.B. Shelley blames reviewers for John Keats' death. Yes, it is true. Ode to the West Wind ends on a hopeful and optimistic note. Yes, it is true. What was the major cause of P.B. Shelley's depression when he wrote Stanzas Written in Dejection Near Naples? He was estranged from his wife shortly after their daughter died. In Ode to the West Wind, the wind sweeps away the old life and spreads the seeds of a new ideal life. In his A Defense of Poetry, P.B. Shelley calls the poets the unacknowledged legislatures of the world. P.B. Shelley's Adonais is divided into 3 parts. Adonais by P.B. Shelley consists of 55 stanzas. P.B. Shelley's Prometheus Unbound is a lyrical drama. It is in 4 acts. Which is the only complete tragedy written by P.B. Shelley? In blank verse, The Cenci. Another lyrical drama of P.B. Shelley is Hellas. P.B. Shelley's hymn to intellectual beauty was written in 1816. How many stanzas are there in hymn to intellectual beauties? कितने stanzas हैं? 7 हैं. How many lines are there in hymn to intellectual beauty? It consists of 60 lines. Shelley composed Adonais after 3 months of Keats' death. Shelley said about which of his poems the least imperfect? Adonais के बारे में बोला हुआ है. The name of Shelley's historical tragedy is Charles First. Which work of Plato did P.B. Shelley translate? Symposium को ट्रांसलेट किया है इन्होंने. Who wrote Ode to Liberty? P.B. Shelley ने लिखा हुआ है. और Who wrote The Revolt of Islam? ये भी P.B. Shelley का वर्क है. Shelley celebrates Platonic love in his poem Epipsychidion. और P.B. Shelley died in 1822 at the age of 29 and he died in Italy. Okay friends, thank you so much.